It's a good thing about knowing HVAC. You can be a jack of all trades. Cause I just about to plant a tree and hit my sprinkler system line going straight across there. I doubt my sprinkler system going on that back portion back there, but unfortunately, but fortunately, we know a little something about plumbing because we are HVAC technician. I nicked it right there. We can fix that. So I advise anybody looking to get into trade, get into HVAC. So we'll save some money. We don't have to call a plumber out here. We actually got what we need in our truck to make these small repairs here. Try to give me a good cut out. All right. Alright, we're just gonna clean that up a little bit. Like I said, we ain't gonna worry about no prime or nothing like that. It's not drinking water. Alright. Put us a little glue on there. There we go. Voila. All right, look like I'm leak free. All right, job well done. Let's see, I done turned the water back on. Testing it out. So we're good to go. All right, HVAC people, get in the trades. Ain't that right, Gideon? Tell them, get in the trades, man. You can fix anything. You can fix anything, you get in the trade. All right, yeah, look like we're pretty good there. Just wanted to make sure. Just wanted to make sure. Watch out. Move, get out. Both. The paper biodegradable, it should be all right. Good soil.